Hi, I'm Dr. Daniel McChesney. I'm the CEO and co-founder of TripDoctor. TripDoctor is technology-powered healthcare access for expats and international travelers. I want to start off by talking about our customer. And the reason for that is I'm actually a great example of our customer archetype. I'm the head of my household, I'm educated, I also happen to be a medical doctor. I'm also an avid world traveler. I've been to 46 countries and counting, and I've lived 8 years of my life as an expat across 4 different countries. And in most of these countries I've traveled to or lived in, I've also experienced being a patient, getting ill or being injured. And let me tell you, when you get sick in a foreign country, it's a really miserable experience. We all know it's miserable to get sick at home. It's about 100 times worse when you're in a foreign country. And it really starts with not just being sick, but being alone. You lack the support of your friends, your family, your community. And then when you go to figure out what to do, you lack resources. Your go-to solutions, like calling your doctor's office and asking for help, or your insurance company hotline, don't work. And when you don't know where to go, you end up at the emergency room, where you face long waits, high costs, and often poorer care than you would get in an outpatient situation. And when they find out you're an American, you often get overtreated and an even higher bill. This isn't just my problem. This is a very large market. Worldwide, there's over 250 million expats. To put that in context, if all of those expats were a country, that would be the 4th largest country on Earth. Expat insurance is a $24 billion market this year worldwide, and it's growing at 11% per year. And there's really strong tailwinds in this market. Just since the beginning of the pandemic, the number of Americans moving abroad per year has tripled. And we also have a secondary market, international travel insurance. Worldwide, there's over 1 billion international travelers per year. That's 3 times the population of the US. This is a $16 billion market, and it's growing even faster. And there's also strong tailwinds in this market as travel resumes, and we're seeing an increase in sales of multi-month policies by remote workers who are going abroad while continuing to work their normal job. That might even include some of your employees you didn't know about. I want to talk about our product and how we're going to win in this market, and it all starts with insurance. We have policy options from multiple insurance carriers that can be tailored to the individual customer's need. But unlike a lot of our competition, we don't just stop with a financial product, because we believe the real problem for these customers is healthcare access. And we solve that with our technology. We have a digital health-powered solution that aids in patient decision support and provider access. And this is linked to our provider network that we vet, not just in terms of their credentials, making sure they have license and training, but we interview every provider to make sure that they have the right language skills, bedside manner, and medical skills to service our population. And all of this is backed up by our care concierge team. These are local care experts who know the local system and can assist with decision support and care navigation. Talk a little bit more about our technology. First and foremost, we provide access to providers with 3 convenient appointment types. This includes telemedicine, a house call to your residence or hotel, and a traditional clinic visit. We offer in-application appointment booking, and this is really important because one of the most difficult things is making a phone call and talking to an administrative assistant who doesn't speak your language and trying to describe your medical problem and make an appointment. So we let our customers do it fully digitally inside of our application. We also offer resources to support finding a hospital, pharmacy, or laboratory, and all of this is backed up with 24/7 support from our care concierge team. So let's talk about distribution, how we're going to reach these customers, and specifically focusing on our entry market of expat insurance. Our target customers are expat groups, families, and individuals. The first channel is business to consumer, partnering with local expat-focused businesses that touch expats before they're going to move or right after they move. An example would be local real estate agents in expat-heavy areas. Second is B2B, and a great example of this would be study abroad programs, where a sale to one program administrator could sell 100 policies. And finally, agents and brokers, and we've been hearing from a lot of US-based health insurance brokers that their customers are asking for flexible benefit options for the remote workforce that wants to live anywhere. We have the right team for this venture, and it starts with our founders. Myself, I have a medical background and 20 years of experience in healthcare business. My partner, Ben Hose, has a decade of experience in digital health product development. We've attracted advisors and investors that include C-level individuals from the industries of international health insurance and digital health. And we've attracted a global distributed team that can address the needs of our global customer base. And finally, through the GIA, we have carrier partners, leaders in international health insurance that have partnered with us to provide that financial component of our product. So TripDoctor is seeking support with distribution. We're looking for opportunities to access new distribution channels to help us scale our product faster. Seeking additional talent, entrepreneurial individuals who really want to make a healthcare impact in this exciting industry. And investment from individual, institutional, or strategic investors who see an exciting opportunity and want to be part of the ride. Thank you very much, and if you have any additional questions, feel free to email me or talk to me during the reception. Appreciate your time.